female 20,000 minus X. Is it clear or not? It is clear. Now what is the given in the sum? That if 10% increased in a male person, okay, then I can write it like this: X into 100 by 10 divided by 100. Am I right or wrong? Okay. Then again they are given option, that is if the decline of the woman is 6%. Okay. That could be, that means 20,000 yes, minus X into 94 by 100. Okay, is it clear for all of you? So that means this is the additions of two, like X into 110 by 100, X into 110 by 100 plus 20,000 minus X into 94 by 100 equals to 20,000. Yes or no? Yes or no? This is clear? So if it is so, then if I can just derive the value of X, then I can find it out how many male were there and how many female were there. So let's calculate it very fast, because you will have just 33 seconds, and I have done in a way it could be sum up within a 33 seconds or not. The earlier one and this one, the both can be completed within a 33 seconds or not. So in that way, how first you can make the calculation and you make the equation that could be give you the mileage in certain competitive exam. So that is the way I have given a sums, and I have given you the duration of time. That should be 33 seconds, because time management is very, very important in any sort of competitive exam. I have given the sums and I have done it within a manner of just 33 seconds, less than that. So you do it. Now check it out, man. Just the answer. Okay. First.